All right, let me show you a common problem with the Dodge Ram 1500, especially if you live in the Rust Belt. The fuel tank strap just hanging there, but the strap is not broke. What the problem is up there where it attaches to the frame. You see that? What happens is it rots out, and then there's nowhere for the frame to attach to. So let me show you the fix that I have, that I've been doing many times. You can see right there where it just ripped out. So I've done this repair many times, and every one of them is held. Let me show you what to do. All right, first thing we got to do is get the strap out of here. Got some penetrating oil on that. That was pretty easy. And let me show you how to fix it. So what I like to do is I use a piece of all thread. You can use a bolt, steel rod, whatever you want. And we're basically making the strap wider and thicker. So we're gonna weld this right to the end where I got it all cleaned up. And I'll show you how to fix it. It's pretty cool. So let me get the good ground on here. And get this baby tacked on. I know, no goggles. I'm just gonna tack it. Okay, now that we got it tacked, I'll go ahead and get the welding shield on and finish it up. I'm no expert welder, but that's definitely gonna hold. Now we just gotta fish this baby up in there. So let's see if we can get that in there.
I didn't like it. What can I say? I'm very alternative. Next science. From your own state, 1993.
Just like that. So now you know. Hope you all learned something today. Like I said, that will last probably the life of the vehicle. If not, I just saved you a whole bunch of money from pulling the tank out and having the side of that frame reconstructed. So take it for what it's worth. You can avoid the inevitable for some time, and then when it does go again, then you can do the proper repair. But like I said, I've done this many times. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.